Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to clean up the phone on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel that your cell phone is starting to slow down and your cell phone memory is too full so that it interferes with your cell phone activity, then it's time for you to clean up the trash on your cell phone. And how to clean up is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to the cleaner apps on your cell phone. This is default apps. And then here will show the cache and trash on your cell phone, and then now you can click clean up and the cleaner will start to cleaning. And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to clean up the phone, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.